Hazel, what would it be, if we increase the use of vision systems to improve our main production and intralogistics systems?
What would it be, if there are use cases where no common industrial vision system fits, because of the cost, David?
What would it be, to use virtual detectors instead of additional sensors for triggering?
What would it be, if you do not need to be a computer scientist to use such an app?
What would it be, to use standard or customized mounting technology for applying a machine vision app on smartphones?
What would it be, if we can make changes at runtime?
What would be, if we get a message if something was detected as wrong?
What would it be, if we could do that with a stupid phone?
What would it be, to use AI directly on the device, to make it smartphone?
What would it be, if we can collect data right from scratch,
to prepare for AI use cases?
What would it be, if we could prove feasibility before making a target invest in a common industrial vision system?
What would it be, if we can link to our industrial network, to store images and local detections in our cloud?
To load and save parameter recipes for other vision systems?
To build up a deep learning image platform?
The answer, I can tell you. It would be a competitive stride, a real stride, supporting us to get closer to process digitization, Industry 4.0, and the intelligent Internet of Things.
In shorter time, and at lower overall costs.
Stride is a development from 2017 to 2021.
By the TopLab, Toplak Laboratory, EU.
Early adopters, please find us on LinkedIn.
Who is it again?
It is Werner, just search for Dr. Toplak, and Laboratory.
Wow.